What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks, but I've been pretty busy lately with life. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button down below. Also, before we get started, I wanted to just say, holy cow, it's been an entire year on YouTube, which that's so crazy to me that I've been doing YouTube for a year. It does not feel like that long. Okay, I promise my hair's not greasy. This lighting is terrible. Overhead lighting is just bad. So today I'm doing a fall makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna be uploading this I think either the day before Thanksgiving or on Thanksgiving. But you know, the holidays are coming, you're gonna be with all your family and you wanna look your best. So hopefully this makeup tutorial can inspire you. This is my makeup look. I've got a nude lip on. Did winged liner, burnt orange eyeshadow. Let's get into the video. Get started with my foundation. I have this Mary Kay CC cream and Flawless Finish foundation. This CC cream is a lot lighter and I like how it feels better than the e.l.f. one. I feel like it's really thick. So I just go ahead and I mix the two. Plus the CC cream is more of a summer color for me. One pump of each, and then I mix it together a little bit. So then the colors come out more even. I got this at Five Below and it works amazing with blending. I don't even need to bring it down to my neck because it matches my skin tone so well. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. This stuff is amazing. This is my holy grail of concealer. It's super covering. I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes. I just blend this out with my finger. I set it with some powder. This is just a Wet n Wild. It's really cheap and it doesn't look cakey or at all, so that's great. And it always sets my foundation and concealer really well. I have pretty thick dark brows, so I don't need to fill them in. And I take my mascara and I just run it through kind of like a tinted brow gel almost. Mary Kay, it's cream eye color, gold warm tone. The eye cream color you can use as an eyeliner, you can use it as a highlighter. It's a really pretty highlighter, and you can also use it as an eye cream color. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some on my nose as a golden highlighter. Ooh, again, I don't know how well you can see it. I'll put this on my chin. I got so caught up I forgot about my blush. I just love highlighter so much that I literally completely forgot my blush. By Mary Kay, and it's called Darling Pink Rose. Now going back to the highlighter. I prefer a lot heavier of a highlighter on my cheeks, so I'm going to take this Hello Glam. I got it at Five Below. And there's this really light shade. It's literally almost like white. I'm gonna get on to the eyes. The palette I'm using is called Metallic Nudes. These colors are really pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take the lightest color that's in there to start off with this brush by LA Colors. And I'm just gonna kind of sweep it across. There we go. That's the lightest orange color there is. And I'm gonna start off with this by Wet n Wild. And I am just going to really get it everywhere. I'm just gonna kind of sweep it everywhere. So I'm gonna take this orange color across my lid. Okay, that's looking pretty. Starting to get darker. Again, I try to do my eyes back and forth so that I can get a more even result. I'm gonna go ahead now and take this color right here
and I'm gonna do my crease. These colors are super pigmented. Once I do my crease, I just kind of blend it everywhere. Ooh, that looks, here we go. That looks really pretty. It's even more pigmented in real life. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing over here. Start off with my crease. And then just continue out with like blending everywhere. That looks amazing. So that is done. It's Wet n Wild Mega Last and it's gel. That is a beautiful cat eye. I have almond shaped eyes, so when I wing it, it looks great. So my eyes, my eyeliner matches. Ooh, I don't know, you can't see on camera. I don't think the green in my eyes is really coming out because I've got hazel eyes, but they are like brown and green almost always. They're like, they used to be sometimes brown, sometimes green. Now they're like always mixed together. And just with this color, like the green's really coming out and it looks great. Just using this Mary Kay mascara. Still have to do my lips. I don't need to prep them. The color is Naturally Buff. It looks like I'm moisturizing, so if your lips aren't super dry, you can just apply it straight on and it's fine. That looks good. I think I'm gonna go in with this eye cream in my inner corners because I just want some more of that that glowy look. Make it look glowy and make it look good. Yeah, I'm glad that I did that because it adds a little sparkle. That's it for this makeup look, and I think it looks really good actually. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it just because makeup is something I've really been getting into lately. And yeah, making a makeup tutorial was really, really fun. So thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.